Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about how to calculate the number of workmen for setting a block. Let's say for example dam proof course DPC, that's from foundation to dam proof course, is 3,000 number of blocks. Though I have a video that will explain to you how to calculate number of blocks from foundation to dam proof course level. I'm going to post it on the description below so that you can be able to watch the video and know how to calculate number of blocks to DPC level. You can also use the same method for calculating blocks to lintel level or to the highest, to the final level. But the thing is, you have to subtract the windows, the doors, all these openings have to be subtracted from it. But if you know how to use this method, you can be able to calculate number of blocks for any type of building. Now, the number of blocks for foundation to level here is assumed to be 3,000 blocks. So if you want to know how to calculate blocks, you have to watch the video, then you come back to this very one. Or if you already know how to calculate number of blocks for then you continue watching this video. So the number of blocks, as the number of blocks here is 3,000 number of blocks. Then the workmen, if you say workmen, now I'm talking about the bricklayers and the service, or call it laborer. So the function of the service to supply block to the bricklayer, and also mortar as well, to supply mortar to the bricklayer. So the service will be the one to be involved in the mixture of the mortar that will be given to the bricklayer, and also supply blocks to the bricklayers as well. So now we have the dam proof cost to be 3,000 number of blocks. So after having the information of the number of blocks that will be required, now the workmanship, those that will be doing the work, setting the block. Let's forget about the service first. First of all, one bricklayer equals 70 blocks. These 70 blocks is not a mandatory number, so it depends on your area. If in your area, from dam proof course level to foundation to dam proof course level setting is 70 blocks, you can make use of 70 blocks. It might be even be higher than 70, it might be 100 blocks. So it all depends. You have to find out about this information first. You have to meet with the meet with any bricklayer and confirm the number of blocks from foundation to dam proof course level. Dam proof course level will definitely have more number of blocks in setting, because the stress is not that much. The bricklayer will not have to be, there's no excessive lifting when it has to do it that very level. So the number of blocks for a day, the number of blocks that will be set will be 70. For a day will be 70. For this one is 70, then your own might be 100. So it depends on your area. So for this one, and one bricklayer is equals to 70 number of blocks. If one bricklayer is equal to 70 blocks,